Hi, this is JC Melvin, and welcome to RealEstateLive.tv, where we're going to give you the first quarter update for 2009 for the greater Las Vegas area here in Southern Nevada. Once again, we're showing up as one of the top cities in the country, in America, for foreclosure rate. In fact, roughly 26,000 homes have been foreclosed upon during the first quarter of 2009. Now, this show is directed at and really is specifically for all of you folks that are thinking about buying or investing in the Las Vegas market in single-family residential properties. The same thing is pretty much going to be true of condominiums, but our numbers are going to focus on single families here and what has transpired in the first quarter of 2009. If we're going to compare the first quarter of this year with the first quarter of last year, sales are up 100%. That's right, 100%. We're looking at 7,492 single-family residential sales in the first quarter of 2009 compared to half that much in the previous year. Interestingly, what's also occurring is with the number of listings that come and the number of sales, we like to compare those two numbers and come up with a sold to listed ratio. That number is up to 48%. Now, what's that mean? We know when it hits 50 to 55% that we're in a very, very active market. Remember, last year at the same time, it was down to 24%. So we were not stimulating very many offers on property. In fact, I'll share with you that in December of 2007, we had only 879 single-family sales that took place through the multiple listing service. And there was about one offer on each one of those properties. Compared to March, 15 months later, we just closed almost 3,000 single-family homes. And the average number of offers on each one of those 3,000 that sold was about 10. So we went from about 900 buyers in the marketplace just 15 months ago to close to 30,000 active buyers in the market right here in March or at the end of the first quarter of 2009. The median price now at the end of March has dropped to a low of $149,000. We haven't seen it this low in more than 5 years. What's this all mean? Let me explain it to you. It means not that the values are continuing to drop, because everybody's waiting for the bottom of the market. What it means is that the low-end properties are the properties that are and have been selling like wildfire this first quarter of 2009. I just mentioned to you that we had about 3,000 sales in the month of March, and that we had about 10 offers, an average of about 10 offers on each one of those, representing about 30,000 active buyers in the market. When we start getting multiple offers on properties, what's happened is those individual properties, the values are being driven back. Those are selling for more than list price now. So the values may have already hit the bottom. This is really important to understand this, because if you're a buyer out there and you're waiting for the values to continue to drop, be careful. You may be there already. Now, the other side of that coin is, in the first quarter of the year, we've also had 26,000 properties foreclosed upon here in the Las Vegas area. There's only about 13,500 active available properties in the multiple listing service right now. So if all of those foreclosed properties came on the market, there would be a glut or a flood. The banks are getting smarter. They're not putting all of the properties on the market at one time. I anticipate we're going to see inventory rise a little bit, but I also anticipate we're going to continue to see massive investor and buyer activity here. We're in April. The official buying season starts the day after tax day, or on April 16th, pretty much every year in the Las Vegas market. And we're here right now. And this year, right now, may be the best buying opportunity that buyers and investors have seen in this valley for over 20 years. That's the key. Look for this to begin right now. We're there. The values are right. It makes financial sense to buy today. And these great buys are probably going to exist in the Las Vegas market through the end of 2009. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Get together with your lender, whoever that may be. Get together with your real estate agent, whoever that may be, and take advantage of this market. Because you don't want to look back 5 years from now and say, I should have bought in 2009. So this is JC Melvin with Real Estate Live. Thanks so much for tuning in. Wish you all the best of investing. Bye for now.